Let's look at a problem based on two cars, a red car and a blue car. This is what's given to us. The red car travels 50 kilometers and the blue car travels 500 meters. We have to find the ratio of the distance covered by the red car to the distance covered by the blue car. It says that the red car travels 50 kilometers and the blue car travels 500 meters. And we have to find the ratio of the distances traveled by each car, red to blue. First, let us note the data down. Distance traveled by the red car is given to us as 50 and the distance traveled by the blue car is given as 500. We have to find the ratio of the distance traveled by the red car to the distance traveled by the blue car. So the ratio will be 50 over 500. And cancelling out the common factors, we get the ratio as 1 to 10. This ratio basically tells us that the blue car has travelled 10 times the distance travelled by the red car. Correct? No, it is incorrect because the units of the quantities we are comparing are not the same. We cannot compare meters to kilometers. We have to get both the quantities in the same units, either both kilometers or both meters. To avoid decimal points, let us convert kilometers to meters. The distance travelled by the red car is 50 kilometers, and we should know that 1 kilometer equals 1000 meters. So this will equal 50 multiplied by 1000 meters, which is 50,000 meters. And the distance travelled by the blue car is 500 meters. Now we have both the quantities in meters and we can compare them to get the ratio. Ratio of the distance travelled by the red car to the distance travelled by the blue car is 50,000 to 500. That's the correct ratio. Though this answer is not incorrect, it is always a good practice to leave the ratio in the lowest form. Dividing the numerator and the denominator by 500, we get the ratio as 100 to 1. So 100 to 1 tells us that the red car has travelled a distance that is 100 times the distance travelled by the blue car.